Hi everyone, welcome back to table topic. Let me get another table topic for today. The another table topic is in the haste of your daily life, what are you not seeing? In the haste of your daily life, what are you not seeing? The daily life. If you just look at our daily life, it's a kind of we almost do some things on a daily basis, and just we are spending a day after day, and we are just doing things because we are too busy in our daily life. We are not able to think beyond our daily life. What we are not able to think what will be the life after 5 years, after 10 years, or maybe what is the purpose of your life. So uh, in the daily activities we get lost and we just keep doing those things. uh, if we want to move further in life, if we want to learn something about it, and if we want to have purpose in our life, just try to think beyond it. Just trying to think uh, uh, what is what are things that gives me happiness, what are values of your life, what what is the kind of life that you want after 5 years or 10 years. Maybe optimize for that, start working today on what's on. It might seem superficial, but trust me friend, uh, it's good to think about that. It's good to plan about that. These are not the easy things. I'm not saying these are the hard things. If you want to see how hard it is, just sit down for 1 hour and try to write what is the purpose of your life. That's a very big question. So uh, let's move to a simpler question. Let's try to what is the kind of life that you want? Just write about that for 1 hour. You will see it's hard things because it forces you to think, it forces you to plan. So the message that I want to give is that when we're doing daily things, we just do not see our life beyond daily life. We do not see what will happen when we will be when we will be having at age 50. So just try to think about that. Just try to find out what are things that you want, and it leads you a better answer to it. Thank you.